What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with only using your cell phone, and this is going to be on ClickBank doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you don't know what ClickBank is, I'll get into that a little bit later, but I'm assuming you do if you've watched my channel at all. But for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're just an online middleman. You're promoting products that aren't yours and you're getting a commission of the sale. But to do that, you have to get traffic. So the way I'm going to show you how to do it at the beginning is going to be a free traffic method that you don't need any money for. You don't need any software. You don't need any tools. You don't need any of that stuff, okay? Not saying that stuff doesn't help, but for this exact free traffic method, you don't need any of it. And at the end, you're going to want to stay until then because I'm going to show you another bonus method that no one is talking about. So if you're excited, make sure to smash that like button. And without any further ado, I'm going to open up my phone and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. All right, so the first step we have to do is obviously, since we're doing it on ClickBank, we got to create a ClickBank account. So you just go here to menu and you hit create an account. Okay, so excuse me. You do not need me to tell you how to do that. It's very simple. If you are a little confused, feel free to just type into YouTube or Google how to create a ClickBank account. They'll walk you through it. It's very simple. Now, after we do that, we're just going to click Affiliate Marketplace. Okay, so what are all these things right here? They're categories. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick a category or a niche, and all that is it's just a market, right? It's something you're interested in or something you're even passionate about, or maybe it's just something you want to learn about. But have some sort of interest in it, because if not, it's just gonna kind of suck for you. But for me, I do e-business and e-marketing. I teach people how to make money online using affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm interested in. That's what I'm passionate about. That's what I do. But really, you just really only need to be interested in learning about it. You don't have to be passionate about anything. I know a lot of people talk about that, but you don't need that. I promise. So just pick something you're interested in. And I will tell you that we're going to be doing this on Instagram. So some niches are better on Instagram than others. Like, for example, health and fitness is very powerful on Instagram. So let's just go into health and fitness just because it's simple and fast. But you could pick any niche. You don't have to copy me. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but whatever one works for you, okay? So we're just going to click health and fitness right here. And this is ClickBank. If you have no idea what it is, it's an affiliate network of affiliate products and programs, right? So basically, like I said, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products, and what ClickBank is it's a hub for a bunch of other people's products that we can promote. And the nice thing about ClickBank is that you don't have to be approved to promote their products. Very few of them, at least. Probably about 1% of them you have to be approved for. So the other 99%, it's all free game, right? So right here, you can see the top product for popularity and for gravity, if we search it by gravity as well, is what's called Lepitox. And what gravity means is it's the most people having success promoting it currently. So I would honestly just test out doing that. So what you would do is, what I would do, I know a little bit about the product already. It's a weight loss, like diet pill type deal. But what I would do for any product is I would go into the like page right here by clicking it and just read up on it. Watch the video, read. You can see the bottles right here and the pricing, all that stuff, right? So that's cool. And you could also go into the affiliate page right here and kind of see what resources they have. They might have email swipes, and none of that's really important with the strategy we're using, but it could help you in the future just to know what they have, right? And they may have social media posts or videos, and those could come in handy. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Anyways, so now what you want to do is we're saying we're promoting Lepitox, right? So now we're an affiliate for Lepitox. So what do? You get your affiliate link so you can actually make money. Okay, so we're going to hit promote right here. And then if you're signed in, your account nickname will be there. For tracking, you could put Instagram, right? But I'm just going to leave it blank for this example. Now, you can see we have our hop link. That's our affiliate link right here. So click this little clipboard thing and that copies it. Okay, for me, the next step I always do is you don't want this long, ugly link, especially on your Instagram account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to bit.ly.com, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click right here. You're going to paste in that link, and then shorten it, okay? And then you're just gonna copy that link right there. The next step, we have our niche, we have our product, and we got our link, okay? So the next step is going to Instagram. And the reason why I'm showing this method is because I've had a lot of people lately actually wanting to like start an online business, and they don't have money, but they also don't want to be out on social media. And you obviously are watching my YouTube channel, you know I have a personal brand, right? And I'm assuming what they mean by they don't want to be all up on social media is like they don't want their business out there, or their personal branding, or like their personal name even out there. And there's a lot of ways to go about this. You can create a themed page on Instagram, which is what we're going to do, or you can do blogging and all that other stuff, right? And all that's great, but I think Instagram is so powerful because you don't need any tools. It's free social media, posting free content from a free affiliate platform with ClickBank. So really, you don't need any money at all. There are tools that make it a little bit easier or better, but you don't need that right now. Just start out with just this and wait until you're making money to be spending money. Trust me, I made the same mistake, shiny object syndrome or all that. And it wasn't until I really simplified things down to just doing that one thing when I started making money, right? So anyways, I just wanted to say that. But now, what you want to do is you want to find pages on Instagram to model. So I got a page opened up right here. This is what I would do before I even create my account. Unless you don't have an Instagram account, you'll have to have one to kind of search through it. But I would just model after a couple pages, like find some pages in your niche, see what they're doing, and model after them, right? These people, they don't even have a link in their bio. Like, I don't know why I'm pointing to it like that, but but what you want to do is you want to have a link in your bio. Like, I don't use my Instagram, but even I have a link in my bio, right? So you can see right there, what you would do is you would edit your profile and you would do your bio. Like, you remember when we looked at the product? I think the headline was like melt away 62 pounds of fat or something along the lines of that. You could even use that headline as your bio on Instagram, right? And then what you would want to do is you would want to, obviously you wouldn't have that website there, but you want to paste in your link to the website and then save it. And then you say, like, if you want to learn how to melt away these 62 pounds of body fat, click the link below. And then people click the link because they visit your profile. But how do they visit your profile? Simple. You go back to pages like these, you literally take their posts and post them on your page and credit them. It's totally legitimate. They're happy, you're happy, and it's a lot less work for you. So find maybe 5-10 pages and just get a bunch of posts and start posting 3 to 6 times a day. And again, I'm not going to show you how to make the posts or add a picture or create your Instagram account even. There's many tutorials that show you step by step how to do that. But this is specifically how to do it on Instagram with ClickBank for free. And this is legitimate. There's many people like Drell, for example. This is how he started out. Like, it's legit. You just have to put in the work. Like, it's not going to be easy, but it's very, very simple. Okay? 100%. Like, again, simplify it. Do the one thing. That's what you need to do. Okay? So again, you make your profile however you want to do it. You want to find a good picture, you want to model after people, and then you just want to take some of these photos. Me personally, I would have like a theme to your posts, right? Like, this is all food, right? So something like that, okay? Yeah, you can see right here, these people are like meal plans, like best weight loss program, stuff like that. And you see it kind of has like a theme to it with the food, right? So that's just kind of what you want to do. I wouldn't focus too much on it, but it is pretty cool if you can do it. And if you want to start making like your own posts rather than just using other people's, you go to a tool called Canva. I got it right here. I use this for everything, my thumbnails, my graphics on Facebook, everything. You would just sign up and you would create it. It's very simple. I have tutorials on my channel about that. But anyways, so just to recap for the free method, I'm going to show you the bonus method now. You create a ClickBank account, you pick a niche, and then you pick a product in that niche, and then you create your Instagram account, and then you fill out your bio with your affiliate link after you shortened it, of course, and you just start creating content. Literally, like, I would do 3 to 6 posts a day, and I would also follow people and start commenting on those same people's pages and their posts every day. Literally, it takes no time at all just to start commenting on their stuff. Like, oh, here, I'll do it right now. I hearted it, and then I'll be like, oh wow, this looks amazing. Thank you. Not just like 1-2 word comments, like stuff like this, right? And then post, right? And just keep doing that. Do it for like 30 minutes or an hour a day, and then post those 3 to 6 posts a day. I promise you, you will start growing. All right. Again, I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. Plenty of tutorials out there. But that's the strategy, and that's literally all you have to do. If you have any questions about this strategy, let me know in the comments down below. Again, make sure to smash that like button. But now this is the bonus method, and this is also on Instagram, okay? So this is actually a paid method, okay? And this is something that I used to do back in the dropshipping day. It was called Instagram shoutouts, okay? So it's like where you go to, they work a lot better with non-themed pages. Like themed pages, you can test them out with, but they work very well on like influencers, like personal brands, even like micro influencers, because they have built up trust with their audience. Like they're an actual person. It's not just like a themed page, right? It's a personal brand. So it's very powerful. So like, for example, if we found someone here, Robin, this is a micro influencer, right? 25,000 followers, like a real person. You can see all her posts are her. So what do you think is more powerful? Posting a video ad to a themed page that's thousands of other people have used, or buying this product, buying Lepitox yourself, right? Paying the money for it, sending it to this influencer for free, and having her do a video demonstration of it, all right? But how do you get her to do that? This is very simple. You would click right here, go to message. The first line is the most important, okay? What you would want to say is you would want to put money sign, and then I do all caps, business inquiry. Well, spell it right though. So business inquiry, all right? That's the first line they're gonna see. And then what you would want to be like, you would want to be like, hey, Robin, would you be interested in demonstrating, or we could do like, maybe like recording a short video demo or product demo, something like that, of my new weight loss product for, let's see here. Would you be interested in recording a short video demo of my new weight loss product? I would love to send you one for free. And then you could just leave it at that, or you could add to it and be like, I would also be happy to, like, you could say something like, I don't know, like the best words to say. Maybe say like, I would also be willing to pay. I don't like the word pay, but you could say it. I would also be happy to pay you if you're willing to work with us. Excited to hear back. Thank you. Something like that, right? So let me scroll up and down so you can see it, right? Business inquiry. Hey, Robin, would you be interested in recording a short video demo of my new weight loss product? I would love to send you one for free. You could also say right there, I think it would be very beneficial to you and your audience, something like that. And then I say, I would also be happy to pay you if you're willing to work with us. And excited to hear back. Thank you. And you could also say things like, even before all this, you could be like, hey, do you do shout outs, or do you do promos, whatever. People call them different things. But yeah, so that's all you would want to do. And that's what you call, again, shout outs on Instagram. I used to do those back in the dropshipping days. And you could use, like, for example, if you had, like on the affiliate resources for this product, if there was a video you could use those for the themed page, right? Because they're not a real person. I mean, they are, but they're not going to be demoing the product because that's not their page. It's a themed page, right? So you could have that video go on their page and they would charge you much less. But it's so much more trust on a micro influencer's page, right? So that's what I would urge doing with that if you have a little extra money. And again, you don't need any funnels or any crazy things like that. They are helpful, but if you don't have the money, you don't have the money, right? And I have tons of other videos on my page about that stuff, so check it out on my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, destroy the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if you're like, I just don't like ClickBank, but you watched my whole video, thank you so much, seriously. But maybe that first link in the description is more your style. That's what I use to earn commissions like this. And if you want to start your own high ticket, high profit online business, use the first link in the description. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.